Let's be Crescent.
I got you unboxing.
Burberry.
Yeah, Burberry, London, and England.
Okay.
I'm going to take off the ribbon. Yes, why don't you wait for me? I'm going to take off the ribbon. What's that ribbon part? Okay. Guys, I'm here. Okay, now I take off the ribbon. I'm going to take off my... I don't need to rip that. Guys, look at my new jacket. Now guys, now I'm going to take off the ribbon and Jess, why don't you try on your jacket?
Ow, ow, ow. Let's see if it's been on.
That's look. You guys, a fit. Guys, I have finally taken off the ribbon. No. So guys, and here's the Burberry.
I think these
Guys, and guys, guess what is inside? Jacket?
It's
correct.
a jacket, guys.
And it's dusty pink. Whoa.
Okay.
Okay, now, whoa.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys.
Yeah, I'm going to turn. Wow. I stand up. And I'm going to do this. Because it looks like I'm going to do like this.
I'm going down the carpet. Brownie's carpet.
Wow. Guys, I look nice in this thing. Yes, what do you think? Good. Okay, guys, I have a ring. Okay. I think I like it. Now let me set the evidence.
See, guys, I have button. And zip is the bad.
See, guys, nice and comfortable, guys. And I like it. Let me do that.
Ah, there we go.
How's your jacket?
Really nice, guys.
Guys, my one's like really nice, cozy, and it makes me like hot. It makes me warm for like 10 seconds.
No.
Yeah,
I am really done. So guys, it's done.
also you have pockets.
Woo.
Guys, la la la.
So guys, I'm gonna take this
Let's see if
off.
the pocket are deep. So guys, thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.